Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jeremy.Smith at Guaranty Chevrolet in beautiful downtown Junction City. Standing next to the deal of the month right here, I have a 2011 Buick Enclave. This vehicle is fully loaded and is in excellent shape. She's got a V6 and third row seating, leather, power seats, dual moon roofs, Bose premium sound, navigation, heated seats, integrated trailer brake. Oh, and please make note of that analog clock. You can't beat that with a stick. If it's got an analog clock, it's money. You can see we've got captain's chairs in the rear. This will comfortably seat 7 adults. Again, pay attention to how beautiful this vehicle is. It is extremely well maintained for a 7-year-old vehicle. And at the price, it can be yours and you can enjoy all this luxury. 7 seating, like I said. It has remote start. It has a power lift gate. And as you notice right here, if you're not using the third row for seating, it folds down flat, and look at how much cargo space you have if you're not using that third row. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an absolutely beautiful, luxurious, well-equipped SUV at a very, very low price. Come see me for this and other great vehicles down here at Guaranty Chevrolet. Thank you.